All right, let's go to the last passage, passage 6, and do a few questions from this one, and we'll be good. So this also looks very, very involved. Lots of stuff going on, designed to scare you. But again, it always looks hard, or often looks hard, but it's always quite simple. Again, if you just go directly to questions and hunt back in the charts and graphs. So number 34, the researchers conducting the studies chose to use a box made of a type of plastic rather than of wood to ensure that all of the water from the melting ice would flow from the box and into the trough. The researchers most likely made that choice because that type of plastic, unlike wood, is what? Well, think about it. There's probably not going to be anything in the passage or information about that, because they're saying they're asking us, they most likely made that decision. Why? It's a common sense question. Why would you use plastic instead of wood? Well, plastic actually does a better job of carrying water. Why? Well, water doesn't seep into the plastic like it might seep into wood. So let's look at the choices. It says they did it because that type of plastic, unlike wood, so the plastic is F, porous and permeable. Is it porous? Is plastic porous like wood is porous? No, it doesn't have little holes in it that water can seep into, and permeable, same idea, porous and permeable that water can seep into. How about G? Plastic is non-porous and impermeable. Yeah, water can't soak into it or go through it, and therefore incapable of absorbing water. Yeah, you want to make sure that all the water passed through the apparatus, so you made the apparatus made out of plastic instead of wood. So G is the answer. Number 35. So that was a common sense question, right? We see those occasionally. So don't panic because the answer is not in the information they give you. In fact, be glad, because you just have to use common sense to answer the question. So be on the lookout for those. Number 35.